Good afternoon. I'm so excited to talk to you today. Oh my goodness, the topic today is so on point. It is trending because so many businesses are calling employees back to the office, and a lot of employees are starting to ask, wait a minute, maybe now is the perfect time to start my own business. Yes. So the topic today is, how do I start my own business, right? So, this topic came about because I had a client call me to help convert her LLC, which is a limited liability company, into a series LLC. And I, for the life of me, could not find her company register. And I'll finish that story in just a second. But it did make me realize that clearly there is confusion out here on how to start a business, whether it's an LLC, a series LLC, a 501c3, a C Corp, a S Corp. You've got all of these different options, and not everyone knows, hey, where do I even start with this? How do I get this business off the ground? And that's why it is so important that you have a business attorney like yours truly there to help you not only start the business, but help you make sure that your business is legally compliant as you continue to run and operate your business. So I'm Alexis Hart Mcdowell. I'm a business and real estate attorney who has started many types of businesses for entrepreneurs such as yourself, including LLCs and series LLCs. I also do it for real estate investors and all types of entrepreneurs. In fact, I've created a best-selling package that gives you everything you need to start your business and to just walk into a bank and open up a bank account. That includes a standard operating agreement. We get your EIN. And I've also included a quick and easy guide on how to run and manage your LLC. Like I said, everything is in this digital package that all you have to do is take it with you to the bank and open up your business account. It's just that simple when you book with the Enterprise Esquire. You can select and purchase your package online at enterpriseesquire.com/packages. So let me jump back into that story that I started with, right? So, as I was saying, I had a potential client and she called me to convert her LLC into a series LLC. Now, some of you may be saying, well, what is a conversion? Well, a conversion is when you have a standard LLC and the state allows you to convert that into a series LLC, which allows your company to now create little silos for your different business entities. It's used a lot by real estate investors, very savvy ones, that minimize the risk between each investment property without having to have different companies hold all of the different properties. So it saves them time, it saves them money, not only in startup costs, but also in ongoing management. So she told me the name of her LLC. I went to search for it. I could not find this LLC anywhere. I asked her for more information. She kept giving me the EIN number. She even told me that she had her tax professional file as an S Corp. And I'm thinking, okay, this is just not possible. I do this every single week, like weekly, I'm filing for LLCs. How could I not find this woman's business? So I finally tell her, hey, why don't you walk me through the steps on how you became an LLC? Because one thing that I've learned working with many, many, many clients is that they think they've done one thing when in actuality, they've done something else or they haven't done anything at all. So as she's walking me through these steps, right, she told me that there was a question on the EIN form. And I'm thinking to myself, well, your EIN has nothing to do with starting your LLC. And so while she was completing the EIN form on the IRS's website, she had to answer some questions about the LLC, like, oh, are you starting a business, hiring employees, opening a bank account? And she collected starting a business and LLC. And she thought that that meant she was actually starting a limited liability company. She was starting an LLC on the IRS website. So this is why I couldn't find her company to convert it, because she never created one. You cannot get an LLC from the IRS. LLCs are formed at the state level. Okay. And this again is a prime example as to why you should seek competent legal business counsel when you're dealing with business matters. Okay. Not everything is DIY. Here, this lady thought that she had a full company set up, was telling her tax person to establish an S Corp, was getting an EIN for a business that never even existed. So I cannot stress enough, make sure you have competent legal counsel, business counsel. You're not going to go to a family doctor when you've got something going on with your heart, right? You're going to go to a heart specialist, not to just a generalist. So the same thing applies with the law. We as business attorneys, we as real estate attorneys know specific things with our area of law, with our industry, that other attorneys may not be privy to, or other attorneys just have no clue about. Okay. So reach out to me. I'm Alexis Hart Mcdowell, also known as the Enterprise Esquire. And let's talk about what your concerns are. Okay. So I got her straight. Yes, she hired me immediately. I got her a Series LLC package, and she's very happy now, was able to open up the bank account. So that was all taken care of. But just remember, not all things are DIY, especially not your legal needs or your business needs. Okay. So I know that you all want to have the most cost effective, quickest, and most importantly, the best business structure for your business from the start, right? You want to have an LLC set up so you can maximize your money while protecting your assets and limiting your personal liability. Of course, the tax advantages and cost savings of an LLC don't hurt either. But most importantly, you want it done right the first time, right from the start. You don't want to have to deal with the IRS coming back saying, oh, this wasn't done right, so you can't take these deductions, or you won't get these credits. So let's get it done right the first time. And I know that some of you all may be struggling with that. You may be saying, hey, I don't even know which entity is right for me. I want to start a business, but do I start an LLC? Do I start a series? Do I start a C Corp? Do I start an S Corp? What do I need? There are just so many options, and each one has their own benefits, pros, and cons. The second question you all may be struggling with is, where do I even start? I've read so much online. Everybody thinks that they can just get a Google degree, right? Your Google degree, your Google search does not equal my law degree. Okay. Your Google search does not equal my law degree. You've read so much online that now it's just become mumbo jumbo, and you can't tell fact from fiction. And a lot of time I have people who are researching and they come to me and ask questions, and they're not even getting information for their particular state. They're looking at laws at a completely different state. So you have to be mindful of that. Okay. Not everything that you read on Google is going to be pertinent to you or your situation. And then some of you all's biggest concern, like I said, is that you just want it done right from the start. You don't have time to waste. You don't have money to waste. And you sure don't want to have entanglements with the IRS because it wasn't done properly, right? Like I said, that client, she was going to tell the IRS she had a whole business and was going to be taking deductions and things. And the IRS is going to be like, you have no paperwork here, honey, as far as a business is concerned. So be mindful of that. So some of the things that you can do to help solve these problems, to get rid of those pain points for you all. Number one is hire me, visit me, come talk to me. I'm Alexis. I'm the Enterprise Esquire. And why would you do that? Because I'm a business and real estate attorney. I start LLCs, series LLCs, S Corps, C Corps, 501c3s every week for clients. That means I have the knowledge, the expertise, and the experience you need to start your business right from the start. Okay. I want to offer you all a free consultation. If you visit me at enterpriseesquire.com/calendar, you can book a free 15-minute consultation. We can discuss your business goals so that we can get the correct business structure for you and what it is that you're doing. Okay. Lastly, take advantage of my free downloads. That's right. I have some awesome free downloads for you all. I wrote the book on the series LLC. Did you know that? Yes, a whole ebook free just for you all, and it's free to download. Go to enterpriseesquire.com/freebies and find out just how amazing the series LLC can be for you in your business, your entrepreneurial endeavors, and even your real estate investing. Okay. So I know that everything that I'm giving to you, whether it's a consultation, whether it's a freebie, whatever it is, the information that I'm sharing with you all, I know that it's going to be valuable to you, and it's going to be valuable in helping you start your business. So if you want to continue to get additional information, definitely sign up for my newsletter. You can do that on any page on my website at enterpriseesquire.com. Just look in the footer. And lastly, I wanted to let you know that I'm starting a membership. That's right. It's called Buildings and Business. Because not only do you need help when you start your business, you need help actually running and operating the business, right? So this membership is a way to get access to legal and tax professional without paying a very hefty monthly retainer fee. That's right. You'll get me. I'm a real estate and business attorney. I'm a real estate investor. I'm a hard money lender. And you'll get a business colleague of mine who is a 20-year tax professional and CPA. So you'll get monthly trainings to help you run your business, raise your profits. You'll get forms, checklists, and templates to make it easier on you. And Buildings and Business is a membership like none other. No other membership are you going to get an attorney and a tax professional together. How many of you have gone to the attorney and they said, oh, well, you have to go talk to your tax professional? How many of you have gone to your tax professional and said, oh, well, you got to go talk to your attorney? Well, you've got us both in the same place now. That's right. So Buildings and Business is a membership. It is launching soon. Get on the wait list at buildingsandbusiness.com. I want to see you in there. We have created this specifically for people, entrepreneurs and real estate investors who not only need the legal assistance, but need the tax strategies as well to help run their business and raise their profits. That's exactly what we've created here. So get on that wait list at buildingsandbusiness.com. And if I can help you start your business, reach out to me, enterpriseesquire.com/packages. You can purchase online, or as I mentioned, book that 15-minute consultation at enterpriseesquire.com/calendar. All right. Thank you all. It has truly been a pleasure. I have missed you. I look forward to being back with you and doing these videos. If you have a topic that you need assistance with, or want information on, or you want an answer to, shoot me an email, send me a DM, whatever it is, and I'll try to answer it for you. Okay. I love doing these videos. I know people enjoy coming to my webinars because we give all facts, no fluff. Okay. We don't have time. I don't have time to waste, and I'm for sure not here to waste your time. All right, everybody. Thanks so much. I'm so glad that you were able to join me today. Don't forget to share this. Don't forget to like it, and don't forget to submit a comment. All right. Take care, everybody. I'm Alexis Hart Mcdowell, also known as the Enterprise Esquire. Take care.